I'll never forget the night before my sister's wedding. I was hemming her delicate dress when my cheap sewing machine violently jammed, swallowing the silk and completely ruining the hem. The sheer panic of choosing the wrong machine is a nightmare I know too well. With thousands of confusing models, buying a sewing machine feels like navigating a minefield of plastic gears and tangled threads. But you don't have to guess. I thoroughly tested the most popular models to find the absolute best sewing machines on the market, including one that completely changed how I sew forever. 7. Stoigeld 725 sewing machine. When I first set up the Stoigeld 725, I wanted to appreciate its highly compact footprint and lightweight design. It is heavily marketed as an ultra-portable, beginner-friendly machine that you can easily stash in a closet or take to a crafting class. Out of the box, it comes with a few basic accessories, and the threading process seemed relatively straightforward on paper. I genuinely hoped it would be a reliable, grab-and-go option for quick household mending. However, the moment I actually began testing it on a simple piece of cotton, the reality of its build quality became glaringly apparent. The entire outer casing feels like incredibly brittle plastic, and the machine vibrated so intensely across my sewing table that I constantly had to reposition it. The tiny foot pedal lacks any real sensitivity, meaning it was nearly impossible for me to control my sewing speed with any precision. It felt more like an on and off switch than a proper speed controller. Things went from bad to worse when I attempted to test it on something even slightly thicker than standard cotton. I folded a piece of medium-weight denim to simulate a basic pants hem, and the machine completely stalled. The motor let out a strained hum, and the needle bent almost immediately upon hitting the fabric fold. To make matters more frustrating, the thread tension dial is wildly inconsistent. I spent over 40 minutes just trying to balance the upper and lower threads, only to end up with ugly looped stitches on the underside of my fabric. Ultimately, while the price tag might be tempting for absolute beginners on a strict budget, I do not recommend relying on this for anything beyond paper-thin fabrics. 6. FEIYUE FYe390. Moving slightly up the ladder, we have the FEIYUE FYe390, a machine that promises a blend of computerized features and basic embroidery capabilities at a budget-friendly price. Unboxing it, it certainly has a more substantial presence than the previous model, and the inclusion of an LCD screen gave me hope for a more modernized sewing experience. I was eager to test its built-in stitch variety and see if it could handle standard home decor projects. The computerized interface is where this machine first began to test my patience. During my evaluation, navigating through the stitch library felt incredibly clunky and outdated. The buttons on the display lack a satisfying tactile response, and the screen itself is dim and difficult to read if you aren't looking at it from the exact right angle. Choosing a simple zigzag stitch took far longer than it should have, interrupting my creative flow right from the start. When it came time to put the needle to the fabric, the mechanical limitations became obvious. I tested it on a layered quilting cotton project, and while it didn't completely stall out, the motor sounded distressed and alarmingly loud. Even worse, I experienced a severe issue with thread bird nesting in the bobbin area. Every 15 minutes, I had to stop, unscrew the needle plate, pull out a tangled mess of thread, and completely rethread the machine. The bobbin winding mechanism also felt jerky, leading to unevenly wound bobbins that only exacerbated the tension problems. While the FEIYUE FYe390 boasts a lot of features on its specification sheet, the real-world execution leaves a lot to be desired. 5. Bernette B79. Now we are stepping into serious territory with the Bernette B79, a premium combination sewing and embroidery machine that feels like a massive breath of fresh air. The moment I lifted this machine onto my testing table, the high-quality Swiss engineering influence was obvious. The chassis is robust, the aesthetics are sleek and modern, and the massive 5-inch color touchscreen immediately signals that this is a sophisticated tool designed for serious creatives. Testing the interface was an absolute joy compared to the previous models. The touchscreen is highly responsive, intuitive, and remarkably easy to navigate. I was able to customize stitch lengths, widths, and complex embroidery designs with just a few quick taps. I loaded a custom floral embroidery file using the built-in USB port, and the machine guided me through the setup process perfectly, telling me exactly which thread colors to use and when to change them. The actual stitching performance is where the Bernette B79 truly justifies its place on this list. I tested the built-in dual feed system on a very slippery piece of silk satin, a fabric that is notoriously difficult to manage. The dual feed pulled the top and bottom layers of the fabric evenly through the machine without a single pucker or slip. The stitch quality was immaculate, rendering perfectly straight, professional-grade seams that you would expect from a high-end designer garment. It is undeniably a significant financial investment, but the leap in reliability, feature depth, and pore enjoyment is massive. During my extensive testing, it handled thick canvas, delicate chiffon, and complex, dense embroidery designs without breaking a single thread. If you are a dedicated enthusiast looking to combine high-quality garment construction with flawless custom embroidery, this machine is a remarkably capable powerhouse. 4. Brother ST371 HD. The HD stands for heavy duty, and right out of the box, you can feel that this machine means business. It features a sturdy metal interior frame and a stainless steel needle plate that immediately gave me the confidence to throw some seriously tough projects its way. It doesn't have a computerized screen, but that mechanical simplicity is exactly what makes it so charming. I decided to put its heavy-duty claims to the ultimate test right away. I stacked 6 layers of heavy, 14-ounce denim, engaged the heavyweight needle that came included in the box, and hit the foot pedal. The machine glided through the dense fabric block with zero hesitation, skipped stitches, or motor strain. The power delivery from the motor is exceptionally smooth, ensuring that the needle pierces thick materials precisely, rather than deflecting or breaking. Despite its rugged nature, it is incredibly versatile for everyday use. It comes with 37 built-in stitches, which I found to be the perfect sweet spot for general mending, garment construction, and decorative hemming. One of my favorite features during testing was the included non-stick foot. I used it to sew a tricky vinyl tote bag, and the specialized foot prevented the sticky material from dragging, allowing the fabric to feed through as smoothly as standard cotton. For sewists who want raw mechanical reliability without the fuss of digital screens and complex menus, this is a phenomenal choice. The drop-in top bobbin is easy to monitor, and the automatic needle threader worked flawlessly every single time I used it. It is the ultimate household workhorse, ready to conquer thick upholstery fabrics, canvas, and everyday clothing repairs with unwavering strength. 3. Singer Heavy Duty 4423. With its distinct utilitarian gray exterior and heavy-duty metal frame, this machine looks and feels like it belongs in a professional alterations shop. The moment you power it on and press the foot pedal, you can hear and feel the sheer strength of its upgraded motor, which Singer claims is 60% stronger than standard sewing machines. Speed is the absolute defining characteristic of this model. During my testing, I clocked this machine churning out an astonishing 1,100 stitches per minute. I was working on a massive project hemming heavy linen curtains, and the blistering speed of this machine cut my sewing time in half. Despite the rapid pace, the heavy metal frame keeps the machine perfectly anchored to the table, preventing the aggressive vibrations that usually plague faster sewing machines. Beyond just speed, the piercing power is exceptional. I tested it on a layered leather wallet project, using a heavy-duty leather needle. The Singer 4423 punched through multiple layers of genuine leather smoothly and cleanly, creating beautiful, even stitches that looked incredibly professional. The stainless steel bedplate is a brilliant touch, allowing heavy textured fabrics to slide smoothly across the sewing area without snagging or dragging. It features 23 built-in stitches, including basic, stretch, and decorative options, alongside a fully automatic one-step buttonhole feature that I found surprisingly easy to use for a mechanical machine. For anyone who sews frequently and needs a rugged, high-speed machine that can chew through denim, canvas, and leather on a daily basis, this is a legendary piece of equipment that will not let you down. 2. Brother CS7000X. When I unboxed this computerized marvel, I was immediately struck by the sheer value it provides. It comes loaded with a generous array of accessories, including an oversized wide table extension and a hard protective case. It strikes a beautiful balance between being lightweight enough to take to quilting classes while still feeling sturdy enough for daily intensive home use. The user experience is where the CS7000X absolutely shines. The interface is optimized perfectly for sewists of all skill levels. I rigorously tested the advanced automatic needle threader, and it flawlessly threaded the eye of the needle with a simple push of a lever, completely eliminating one of sewing's biggest annoyances. Selecting from its 70 built-in stitches is incredibly straightforward via the brightly lit LCD screen, which also helpfully tells you exactly which presser foot to attach for your chosen stitch. During my testing, I attached the included wide table and started working on a complex quilt binding, multi-layered quilt sandwich with surprising finesse and control. The stitch consistency across varying textures, from smooth quilting cotton to fluffy fleece batting, was wonderfully precise. I was also incredibly impressed by the 7 one-step auto-size buttonholes, which produced perfectly uniform results on every test scrap I ran through it. Furthermore, the machine operates incredibly quietly, lacking the aggressive hum of the heavy-duty models. This makes it perfect for late-night crafting sessions or sewing in shared living spaces. It hits the perfect sweet spot on the market, offering incredibly beginner-friendly features while still providing the advanced stitch options, quilting capabilities, and smooth feeding system that an intermediate or advanced sewist demands. 1. Singer Quantum Stylist 9960. This machine is an absolute powerhouse of creativity and precision that completely blew me away during my testing, making almost every other machine feel slightly lacking by comparison. From the moment I pulled its heavy, robust metal frame out of the box and attached the massive included extension table, I knew this was a professional-grade tool designed for serious creators. The sheer volume of options packed into this computerized machine is staggering. It features a jaw-dropping 600 built-in stitch patterns, including 5 stunning alphanumeric fonts for custom lettering. I spent hours just exploring the decorative possibilities. I tested the lettering feature to monogram a set of thick bathroom towels, and the final results looked incredibly clean, sharp, and indistinguishable from expensive commercial monogramming. What truly sets this machine apart is its brilliant, intelligent design features that streamline the entire sewing process. The automatic thread gutter is an absolute revelation. With the simple push of a button, it snips your top and bottom threads cleanly, saving so much time and thread. I also heavily utilized the electronic autopilot feature, which allowed me to unplug the foot pedal entirely and control the sewing speed with a slider. This gave me intense, hyper-focused precision when sewing complex, tight curves on a garment bodice. The stitch quality is absolutely flawless on every single material I threw at it, from sheer, slippery organza to thick, multi-layered quilt batting. It comes with a staggering array of 18 different presser feet, ensuring you have the exact right tool for any conceivable project. The Singer Quantum Stylist 9960 is simply the most capable, feature-rich, intelligent, and reliable sewing machine on the market right now, and it is an investment that will elevate your sewing for decades to come.